Morning, my YouTube family and friends, my awesome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen. Happy and blessed Tuesday. Guys, I'm back with a quick recipe what I am going to share with you all. So let's get started. This recipe what I'm going to share with you is pork chops. Someone requested this recipe, so I am going to share it with you all. So I'm going to do brown stew pork chops and the bone, served with white rice and plantain. So let's get started. Guys, I've just washed my hands to make sure my hands is all clean. So I'm going to start my seasoning process. So I'm using tropical seasoning, and I'm just using a small amount of this seasoning. You can get this seasoning, you can order it from your local supermarket, your grocery store, or online. I'm also using all-purpose seasoning. Garlic and herb seasoning. Pork seasoning, and this is a must. Ginger, garlic, and pimento seasoning. This will help to bring the flavor out in this dish. Black pepper. Thyme. So guys, I'm gonna get straight into this meat and start it seasoning. I've got all my ingredients here, what I'm going to add to season this meat. So right here, I've got some vegetable peppers. Some people call it sweet peppers, still the same. Right here, I've got some white onions, spring onions. Some people call it scallion, it's the same. Over here, I've got some crushed garlic, tomato, hot scotch bonnet pepper. And right here, I've got a piece of ginger, but I'm going to cut up in small pieces. That's my ginger. I'm going to cut it up in small pieces. I've got some carrots, and I've got some potato. So I'm just going to add a little bit of my onions and spring onions, a little bit of vegetable peppers, and I'm now going to get straight into this meat and start seasoning. Guys, I'm going to add a small amount of dark soy sauce. This will help bring the flavor out, and it will help add color to your meat. But I'm just adding a small amount, because if you add too much, then when it's time to brown your meat, then your meat is going to end up burned. When I started cooking my meat, then I'll add a bit more. Okay, so guys, I don't have time for marinate my meat, as I always mention in my video, because I'm teaching you guys to cook from start to finish. So I will just have to skip marinate. But when you are preparing and cooking this dish at home, then you can leave your meat to marinate for at least 24 hours. Season your meat and then put it into a container with a cover and then pop it in your fridge. When it's time for you to cook it, take it out like about 10-15 minutes before cooking time. So guys, as you can see, my meat is looking really good and I can smell it. It smells really good. So I'll be showing you guys how to brown this meat and then cook it. Put some oil in a pan to hot and I'm now gonna start browning my pork. So all I'm going to do is simply remove the seasoning from my pork before I put it to brown, because if you don't remove the seasoning, then the pork will burn. Once I finish browning my pork, when it's time to cook my pork, then I will add back my ingredients. Guys, if you don't like pork, if you don't like bone, you can simply remove the bone. But I'm cooking this meal for my son and he loves bone and he loves that cattle bit. So I'm leaving it on for him so he can enjoy this dish. Guys, I've already prepared and cooked my rice off camera because I've already done rice showing you guys exactly how to prepare and cook white rice. So because I've already uploaded a video, I just cook it off camera this time. So guys, if you are new to my channel and you don't know how to prepare and cook white rice, have a browse through my channel and you will see this video. I'm using basmati rice. This is my favorite rice. My family enjoy basmati rice. They just love it. But you can use rice of your own choice. That's entirely up to you. My meat is browning and as you can see, it is looking really good. The meat is brown. Look at it, it's looking really good. So I'm going to remove these from my pan and then I'm going to put some more in. I'm just adding the rest of my ingredients. Put them all in this bowl. And then I'm going to add some more soy sauce because it's now ready for cooking. So when it's ready for cooking, you can add as much soy sauce as you want because the meat won't burn because it's already brown. Right. And then I'm also going to add a bit of hot pepper sauce. You can add more if you want it to be fiery, but my son don't like it when it's too fiery. So that amount is okay. So I'm now going to add this to my pan. Add my meat. If you're cooking for a large family, then you need to use more meat. But because I'm only cooking this for my son, that amount is okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some water and then I'm going to leave it to cook. I'm boiling water, enough water to cover my meat. Okay. And then I'm going to leave it to cook. This will take about 45 minutes. Or a little bit more, depends on how soft the meat is. So when I'm gonna have a break and when I return, I will show you my finishing touch. Guys, I'm back and I'm just showing you how my meat look. And I'm just gonna try to see if it's getting tender, and yes, it is getting very tender. So I'm just gonna give it another 20 minutes and it should be ready. So it's now time for me to add my carrots and my potato. So I'm giving it another 20 minutes, and then when I return, it will be ready. I'm back and my pork is ready. Guys, just check my gravy out. Look at how rich it is. So I'm going to turn this heat off. Look at that, guy. It's looking so good. Look at that. Absolutely. Wow. This is so good. So good. So I'm just going to put that away, and then I'm going to fry my plantain, and my rice is already ready. Guys, when you're cooking your rice, make sure you use a non-stick pan so that the rice don't stick to the pan and start it burning. Okay? Just know that my rice is ready and my meat is ready. I am now going to fry my plantain because the plantain have to be warm to serve with the meal. So I have to leave the plantain for the last. So I'm using 2 whole plantain, ripe plantain. For all those of you who don't know what plantain is, just do the research. You know, plantain is like ripe banana. It's got a sweet taste to it, and it's very enjoyable. So just do the research, and then you can try it. You can also purchase this from your local supermarket, grocery store, or online. Okay, so I've cut my plantain in 2 halves. I'm just gonna simply remove the skin, just like that. And you can either cut your plantain in round slice like that, or you can just cut them in long slices like that. The choice is entirely up to you. It doesn't make any difference. And over here I've got some vegetable oil heating up in my pan. So I'm just checking to see if my oil is hot, which it is hot. So I'm now gonna add my plantain and just leave them to fry. This take about 5 minutes to fry. Guys, our dinner is now ready. So I'm gonna have a little taste, and I'll tell you guys exactly how this meal tastes. But just looking at it, you can tell that it's gonna be really, really delicious. Really, really nice, guys. Just melt away in the mouth. Wow, guys, this meal is really, really, really delicious. Wow, guys, please try this meal at home and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, today is your day. Please hit the red subscribe button. Please put on your notification bell. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like and share, and just enjoy. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. And for all those who does not support me, thank you guys just the same. And I'm doing really, really well. My channel is growing really nicely. So guys, just please continue to support me. And I'll see you soon in my next one. Enough love. Peace. I'm out.